This is our second year of implementation of our career pathways, which really have provided our students a huge opportunity to explore a career they might be interested in.
With the pathway programs, they're able to find out earlier of what they really enjoy doing instead of waiting until they're already in college and, finding it out then. They are able to be in this group, a really cohesive group, where they'll be learning together, taking the same classes.
We have an engineering pathway, we have a careers and education pathway, and then we have an ag design and fabrication.
I'm very proud of the students that are in it currently, and I think just the reward of it and the experience of it will be so valuable after they finish high school.
Engineering pathway gives students an opportunity to use engineering as a way to solve problems. We spend some time on the computers doing modeling and laying out our projects. For the most part, it's hands-on. We have a lot of equipment like the 3D printers, and we have laser engraver and the CNC mill, and they use all of them in the first year.
There's a lot of team building that goes on. There's a lot of common projects, so students will work together on a project in their pathway class, in their English class, math class.
Just about all of our projects working in teams of 2 or 3 or sometimes more.
Everyone has your back on the projects, and the benefits is just preparing you for what you need to know later on in life.
It's kind of like a family, there's some people that we don't really like as much, but and the others are like your best friend and they feel like your family.
My favorite part is when the students see the light bulb, when they actually see how it works and they build that first object, in this case, some were building small buildings, some were building other like power plants, mock-ups of power plants, little prototypes, and seeing them achieve that, to do something, to actually create something that they can use in another project, that's pretty exciting.
It's a lot of fun, and you can really let your creativity explore different places because you get to work on design and shaping and cutting and coloring. A lot of girls do enjoy math and science, and there's a lot of that, which I really do enjoy math and learning the structures of things.
The engineering pathway doesn't attract as many girls as we would like to see in it. The girls seem to do extremely well. They're very competitive, turn out high quality work, and I think that we're going to see a lot of change in that over the next couple of years. I think we'll see more women in the engineering field over time.
The project that we're working on is a cell city design. Basically, we're taking the inside of a cell, and right now we have to make it into an industrial city. And so there needs to be at least 10 organelles, and we have to figure out a way to incorporate those into the city.
For each of the projects, we have a limited time period to do it, but which I think prepares us for when we start working in the real world.
My teaching approach is trying to push them to do better and to encourage them. I like to encourage. I really like the students to push themselves, encourage them to do better.
Another one of the benefits that the students have is our advisory boards for each of the pathways are community partners. So for example, Lemoore Foods and Quadnoff Engineering, these are people who are in the field, who are actually providing jobs and internships to our students. They're there, they're advising us, so we know that students are getting the training that they need to go directly into the workforce if that's what they choose, or to have those connections for job opportunities after college.
It may seem very intimidating at first, but the best thing to do is just go into it. It's so much fun. We get to use all the tools, we get to have fun creating things that you've imagined mere weeks or even days before. And it's just a great program to be in.
There will be a lot of reward to it. I think it's something that students will look back on their senior year and be really proud of what they accomplished here at LHS.